We'll do a little walk around. I haven't mounted that the light on there. It has a light that comes with it on the front. I haven't mounted it because when I fold that steering or the handlebar down and get it in that van, it sort of messes with it. But everything works good on this bike. Red, mini, folding. Monday, 1st of July, 2024. Well, it's been a couple of months since we've got this bike out. I guess the last time we got it out, we were at Trader Hill for the St. Mary's River boat tour. So let's turn it on. We've ridden it a fair amount, and the batteries was still showing 5 bars. Get these pedals out. You gotta watch. Those pedals will snap your fingers, and they don't feel good if they do. This isn't a factory seat. This is a July1st seat. It's a bigger seat for your rump. That little bitty seat that came with it just didn't work for me. Okay, that Michow or Michow mirror works very good. I think I would like to have one that goes up a little bit higher, but still showing 5 bars. Okay, we've got it on pedal assist 1 in gear 6. That was throttle. We have got to start riding this thing more. I think I need to adjust the front brakes a little bit. $5 miles an hour, 6 miles an hour. Let's adjust that display a little bit. I didn't want to adjust. I thought we could turn it pretty easy. Oh well. We don't need pedal assist going down the hill. There were some deer out here a while ago. Pedal assist 2, no throttle, 130 watts, 132 watts. This is the Rad folding, mini or mini folding. So that Michow or Michow, whatever mirror, works good. I like it. It fits in the, take the plugs out of the handlebars, it fits in the hole. If you look on their site, it'll give you the minimum and maximum hole size that it will fit. We've got to mount that Insta360 camera on here some way. I hadn't looked at doing it yet, but I'm using a little bit of throttle coming up the hill here. It has front suspension. I'd like to get the bigger tires. It came with these 3-inch. I'd like to get the 4-inch tires for it. There's a big difference in pedaling in this grass. We gotta see if we can figure out a way to mount that Insta360 x3 camera on here. Of course, you're using 0 watts, going downhill, no throttle, no pedal assist, still 6 gear, has 5 pedal assist and 7 gears. It'll run about between 20-25 miles an hour, and depending on how much you pedal, it'll get anywhere from 30 to 45-50 miles on one charge. And I guess if you pedaled more, you could get more. Okay, we're going to open it back up, or open it up, going back up the driveway. Okay, that's full throttle, no pedal. That's up to 15.7, 16 miles an hour, coming up this little incline. But it gets rough. I don't need it to throw me off. It has dropped down to 4 bars of battery, but that's, you know, I've driven it a good bit already, and it's sat for what, 2 months at least. I haven't been using any pedal. All that's been throttle coming up that hill. I want to go to a state park or somewhere and put 7 or 8 miles on it. But it works very good. I like it. Very good addition to living on the road or nomad life. Or just, you know, city, whatever you want to do, how you want to use it. Okay, that'll wrap this one up for right now.